In last 6 months, we saw a huge impact of GameFi and NFT altcoins in entire crypto market. But both are entirely separate. But in this video, I will share a platform which is focusing on both things, GameFi and NFT too. It means it's like one-stop shop for every trader. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us because this coin will rule the market very soon.
Feel uninvited.
Before moving on, it's necessary to understand the meaning of the gacha game. What is gacha game all about? Because the Mevatrix is the project which is mainly focusing on the gacha game. A gacha game is a video game that implements the gacha, toy vending machine mechanic. Similar to the loot boxes, gacha game include the players to spend in game currency to receive a random virtual item. Mevatrix is the first gacha game on BSC network. So in short, their altcoin will be Next AXS. Here you can see the main website of the Mevatrix. I will share the link in the comment section, and also I will share it with you that how you will be able to earn up to 0.1 BNB directly from the Mevatrix Telegram bot. But before that, what is Mevatrix all about and how it will work? Basically, Mevatrix intends to launch on the BSC, Binance Smart Chain, a unique project that combines both earning and gaming mechanisms. Mevatrix will launch its game next year, and for this reason, it offers its first collection of NFT avatars on the Binance blockchain. Here you can see number of avatars are also available on the main website, so you can check each and everything about it. This is a unique lifetime offer to the NFT owners. This means you can keep earning even if you won't play the game, and only 8,799 unique pieces are there, packed with amazing rewards. Your NFTs come with royalties, reward pool distribution infinitely to the NFT owners. The first gacha game, as I told you in the starting, only 8,799 pieces. Now something about the reward. Basically, for the common, get 0.0100% of the royalties. For the rare, get 0.0160 for the royalties. Epic, get 0.0320 for the royalties. Legendary 0.06 and mythic 0.12, and for the divine, for this one, 0.4350 of the whole the royalties. So that will be the huge thing about the project. Now something about the play to earn. There will be mini games that users can play in order to enter a leaderboard, or where they can unlock new features for their avatars. Play multiple mini games, earn ranking points, tokens, and get access to exclusive prizes and unique battles. Now something more about the airdrop, which is ongoing at this time, and easily you can join this airdrop and you will be eligible to take at least 0.1 BNB that is given by the Mevatrix group. So first of all, you must have to follow them on Twitter because every day they are sharing new things about their project. It's important to notice first that NFTs who will be bought during the first sale represent the magical and legendary characters who won't be playable in the game. The second drop though will be the playable avatars that players will be able to use at the moment of the game launch and won't be pegged with rewards. Now something more that how it will work. Mint your Mevatars. On the app marketplace, you will be able to mint your own avatar and buy exclusive power-ups and accessories. The world of Mevatars awaits for you. Next, you have to do play mini games on the Mevaverse. You can play multiple mini games with your Mevatar. The team will be launching many games. Each one will earn you ranking points and the access to exclusive prizes. By earning the ranking points, you can climb the game ranking and you get the access to fashion battles for exclusive prizes such as power-ups, tokens, accessories and much more. And in last, only the best will be joining the battles. Prepare your Mavatar to win some amazing prizes. You can also bet your Mavatar as a prize. So guys, it is as per my own idea about the price of their coin will be minimum $90 to $100 in starting. What you think, share with me. Now I'm going to share with you how you can join the airdrop of the Mavatrix. Now something more about the roadmap. December 22nd they are going to launch of the NFTs collection. January 6th fair launch, deployment of the token and liquidity event on the DEX exchange. Second week of January starting the reward process to the NFT owners. So if you are going to participate in the NFT collection, so surely you will get some good rewards on the second week of January. Then first quarter 2022 MAV token launches on a centralized exchanges, listing on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, release of the airdrop, launching the project on the Gacha gaming communities, launching of the second NFT collection, choose your attributes and mint your Mavatar. So basically their entire roadmap is awesome. So if you want to participate in the NFTs, basically you have to do one major thing, that is you have to subscribe for it. Only and only you have to click over here, then you have to enter your email address, then next, and then you will be in it. And the best part, only with one BNB you can easily participate in it. So what you think, share with me in the comment section, because I really love this project. And as per my own idea, this coin will be the new division in entire crypto market for the metaverse, for the gaming community and also for the NFT collectible. So guys, here you can see the Telegram bot where you can easily join the airdrop of 0.1 BNB. So simply you have to click on join airdrop, then you have to join their channel, their Telegram group, then you have to follow them on Twitter, and at the end you have to join them on Discord, and then you have to click on the submit details icon and simply enter all your information and you will be eligible for 0.1 BNB. So that will be a huge thing from this entire project Mavatrix. I will share the link of the Telegram bot in the comment section. So easily you can join this airdrop and make some good profit with it. If you like this video, share with me in the comment section. Thanks a lot.